I'm back at the top deck at the Cal-Neva, and I already see they have a temporary COVID surcharge here on the meals. It was really not too good last time, so we're going to give it another shot here. You guys hungry? I sure am. I think I'm going to try the famous. I'm always worried when I hear something that says famous. And I'm going to try the Clubhouse sandwich. Bacon, ham, turkey, lettuce, and tomato. Your choice of toasted bread. This I got to tell you guys, this town is really rough. Not right now. I mean, even the waitresses are rough. This place has really taken a hit the last couple of years, I'll tell you. Keep a low profile. Oh, he does this ketchup, and they give you a little individual packets of, no more bottle on the table. It looks pretty good. I don't think you can really mess this up. Try a bite. Do try to avoid the toothpick. Of course, I jam myself with the toothpick. But pretty good. Let's try a fry. Looks like I might come out okay here. Fully loaded. Really not many people around tonight. Isn't that funny? I tell you guys, beware of the toothpick, and bam. I am such a dork. So how would I rate the sandwich? It was not a beef Wellington, right, or a chicken cordon bleu. It was a club sandwich, and it was pretty good. So I'm going to give it about an 8 stars. Fries were okay too. So about with drink and everything, about 13 bucks. Not too bad, all things considered. So all right, there it is, another dinner at Cal-Neva's top deck. It's about the last casino restaurant left in Reno. Did you know Harrah's is closed now? What an outfit. Thanks for watching, guys. Just as a little postscript to dinner, why do I get the feeling that that's probably the last time I'm going to be eating at the Cal-Neva? It really didn't have anything to do with the food per se, but you can tell that they're just barely hanging on by a thread down here. So I really don't think that they're going to make it. So I'll always have the memories.